Imagine waking up every day knowing exactly what you want and actually having the mindset and habits to go after it. Today's video will show you 15 powerful traits that can completely change your life and help you finally get what you truly want. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel because this video is packed with life-changing ideas you don't want to miss, and there's a lot more coming your way. 1. Choose optimism. Life becomes easier when you stop treating every challenge as a disaster. Optimism isn't about ignoring problems. It's about believing you can learn from them and move forward. When something goes wrong, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? 2. Take calculated risks. Most people stay exactly where they are because they fear taking risks. But the truth is, every opportunity requires some level of courage. Don't gamble blindly, just weigh the situation, study your options, and take smart steps forward. 3. Build mental toughness. Setbacks are temporary, but quitting makes them permanent. Mental toughness means standing back up every time life knocks you down. When you feel like giving up, remind yourself why you started and who you're doing this for. 4. Be persistent. Persistence is the engine of success. You may not know how to reach your goal yet, but persistent people keep learning, keep trying, and keep searching for solutions until they get there. 5. Become resourceful. You don't need all the answers or resources today, you just need the belief that you can find what you need. Whether it's skills, knowledge, or support, resourceful people always find a way. 6. Master the art of networking. You can achieve almost nothing alone. Every dream requires people, mentors, customers, partners, collaborators. Improving your communication and networking skills opens doors you never knew existed. 7. Live with passion. Passion comes from focusing on the purpose behind what you do. Whether you're building a business, learning a new skill, or starting a new chapter, bring your energy and excitement into it. Passion attracts opportunities. 8. Stay curious. Curiosity leads to growth. Successful people ask questions, explore possibilities, and challenge their assumptions. Instead of thinking, I can't, start asking, how can I? 9. Be a self-starter. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Start with what you have, where you are. Self-starters create momentum instead of waiting for permission or inspiration. 10. Practice gratitude. Wanting more is normal, but resenting what you have blocks your progress. Gratitude shifts your mindset and increases your energy. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for and watch your perspective change. 11. Live with integrity. Integrity is the foundation of trust. Whether in business or personal life, always aim to deliver high-quality work and keep your promises. Your reputation becomes your biggest asset. 12. Build unshakable confidence. Confidence grows when you face your fears, not when you avoid them. Try small challenges first, then bigger ones. And always remember what you've already accomplished. You've overcome more than you think. 13. Develop patience. We live in a world that wants everything instantly, but real success takes time. Be patient with your progress. Slow growth is still growth. 14. Protect your sleep and energy. Your mind can't perform at its best if your body is exhausted. Good sleep is not a luxury, it's fuel for focus, creativity, and motivation. 15. Become a lifelong learner. Never stop learning. Every new skill, idea, or insight becomes another tool you can use to build the life you want. Successful people learn something new every day. Make this a habit. These 15 traits can shape your mindset, strengthen your character, and completely transform your life if you apply them consistently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of our upcoming life-changing content. Thanks for watching. Your new life begins now.